Hi everyone, welcome to Copiabel.ai. This is been added to Theta Hackathon Galactica WDK edition. So, what is Copiabel.ai? Copiabel.ai is autonomous self-custodial AI-powered copy trading. So, it is a WDK copy trade is a fully decentralized self-custodial pipeline powered by multi-agent AI. We leverage the Web3 developer kit like WDK, advanced LLMs, and ERC4337 account abstraction to seamlessly mirror Elite on-chain strategies. So like the keys will be yours and the rules will be yours too. So if we say how we add the WDK, so WDK, we use the real WDK SDK. So here we are importing and we are like generating the seed phrase from the WDK and initializing the Sepolia EVM wallet, the testnet wallet, and also we'll have the BIP44 account derived. So we are fetching the balances and transactions through this. So also we are using the MCP model context protocol, also OpenClaw compatible. It's the open claw compatible. We are using Tether tokens. Also the network is Ethereum Sepolia testnet. So if we come to how the autonomous copy trading flow works, so first the target surveillance, the step one, which is the target. We need to provide the target wallet, the master wallet we are trying to copy. Then the trade sizing. So the strategy agent normalize the exact trade and proportionally size the copy swap relative to your balance. And then AI validation. The before blindly mirroring, the risk agent queries blockchain liquidity and simulates strict slippage bonds. So at the last step, auto execution. The execution agent mirrors the swap perfectly. Uniswap v3 using your WTK wallet and a ERC4337 paymaster, which is through Pimilico. So how the AI we are using, how we have multi-agent AI swarm. So we have 4 agents right now. The monitor agent, which synchronizes with the Ethereum mempool where blockchain streams capturizing confirm swap signature instantly. And we have the strategy agent, which normalize the incoming trade block parameters, determines exact pair mapping and absolute sizing limits. And we have the risk agent, which analyzes pool liquidity and actively sets slippage tolerance using dynamic model context protocol constraints. And the execution agent, which compiles the verified parameters directly into an ERC4337 smart contract transaction payload for dispatch. So what we have all integrated in the hackathon, it's Web3 developer kit, the WDK and LLM agents and account abstractions through that other things, 4337 accounts. So let's come to the demo. So first let's connect the wallet, which will ask for password. Let's confirm to connect to the wallet. So when we connect the wallet, it will automatically create a vault, which is like it will automatically create a WTK wallet, the BIP the wallet. So if we check this account address has been created now. So if we copy it, let's go to this and let's get some USDT added. So when we uh, connect to a wallet, it will generate a automatic new wallet address to that, so it will be handled autonomously. So as the transaction has been completed, we can see 1000 USDT dollars have been added to this account, the one which has been generated at present. So also let's transfer some of the Ethereum for transactions. Okay, let's transfer some Ethereum for this account. Okay. So mainly the gas will be through USDT as mentioned, which will be paid by Pimilico, which I will show in some seconds. So let's wait for this to get confirmed. So as it got the USDT, the ETH has been added to the this account which has been generated. So let's now try to copy trade now. So in the copy trade interface, we will have to give a lead trader, which is like the master trader which whom we need to copy. So let's give my another account for now, which will this will copy that account now. Let's give as a master, and let's hit on the follow button, which will start keep on tracking the master account, and it will follow the things which it does, like it will copy the things. So if we want to test how it copies, also we have like master trader and the total pay, and it will be coming soon, and we can monitor this account here in the real ether scan. So this we can check here. The this is the master trader right now. So the master trader we can check. So let's start copy trading now. If we trade something, it should be detected by AI agents, then it should be copied to our account. Okay, let's come to Uniswap. Let's as I have some other things which like link, we can just try to swap between link and Ethereum. Let's do this. Okay, just review. Let's try to swap the things. Confirm. It's being swapped in the master account, so it got swapped. So if we come to the our original account, then it should get copied in the our copied account. So take some time. So it started uh, copying the master trader. So it has detected the ETH and from Ethereum to link swap, and the risk agent will like it will give a risk score, something like it will be between 0 to 100. The when the risk score is above 50, it will approve the trade. If it is not above 50, it will reduce the it will reject the trade. So the risk agent will like AI agent will analyze that, and the execution agent will trade the execution, that the trade the what we have been copied from master. Then the profit, we have one another agent which is profit agent. So it will distribute the Ethereum, which is like how much we can distribute if we have this trade. That will it will detect that, and it will try to distribute that much of amount to the uh, master address, so that it will tip something. So we can also see the copy trade history where we have Ethereum and link transaction executed. If we go to vault, we could see some link have been added, and the main thing is the transaction fees have been paid through USDT, which is main thing, which we have connected through Pimlico, where I have this API key where we can see some request in last 24 hours. It has requested and it has done some changes. So can see the same thing. If we come to copy trade, so we can do another transaction. Let's do to away. This is again master account. So let's do something 154 view. Then let's swap this. Swapping been swapped. So let's wait for some seconds. So our agents will pick it and analyze it and try to execute it. Also, we can see the transaction hash here. So it's a real transaction happened on Ethereum, like Sepolia testnet. You can also see the transaction logs here, states. You can see all the states which changed here. So this is the original transaction taking place. So now the ETH to Aave transaction has been successfully conducted, which like trader the risk agent has approved the trade, and the execution agent has executed the trade, and profit agent has distributed some, like it's a minimal ETH distribution, as we are doing a smaller chunk of swapping right now. Also you can see size exactly copied everything in the vault. Also you can see now some of the Aave has been deposited through swap. So this is all the copy trading does. So all the things we have mentioned. Yeah, that's all for myself. Yeah, thank you.